Ipinagmamalaki mo ba ang iyong anak? Bakit? Meron akong 2 anak, si Sam and si Pam Garcia. Of course, pinagmamalaki ko ang 2 anak ko. I'm a solo parent since they were 3 and 4 years old. And ever since nag-start mag-school ang mga anak ko, nasa honors until grade 9. And I'm so proud that God has blessed me with 2 angels that has been my support system throughout the hardships, the sacrifices that I've been through as a single mom. And God knows how I love them so much. Kaya hindi ako nakakalimot magsabi kahit sa text, kahit sa call, I love you, anak.